Here we are in December, one of my favourite times for carp fishing. Love short session winter fishing. Just coming out for the day, travelling light with just a couple of rods, light rucksack and a chair. It makes it much less of an ordeal than some people seem to think winter carp fishing to be. Lots of the winter fish I've had over the years have been daytime fish. A quick tip here, the maximum action pellets that we use. A handful of those and a little bit of lake water. It really is a short period of time before that turns into a usable paste. And already the pellet is starting to get mouldable. Right, last ditch attempt. I'll just move swims for the last half hour. That was well worth the move. Just sort of one down the left there, over the bits of paste I put in. Whoa. Proper old English carp, as old as me, and he's made my day.